What's up guys, and welcome to the first installment of our how-to car cleaning videos on the Motor and Evolution channel. Today we're going to be working on a very special car, which is my wife's 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan. I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process on how you can safely and effectively do a basic wash of your alloy wheels. But before we get into that, I'm just going to go through some of the products and tools that we're going to be using today. We have our dedicated wheel bucket, including the grit guard. We have two products that we're going to be using today, both by the same company, built Hamburg, UK. We're going to be using Surfx HD and Auto Wheels. We have our dedicated wheel mitt, large wheel woolly, EZ car cleaning brush, soft bristled alloy wheel brush, and last but not least, stiff bristled tyre wall brush. I will make sure that there are links in the description below for any of these products, just in case you missed them. Please be sure to check that out. So without further ado, let's get to it. Right, so before we start, I just want to sort of put this out there that, you know, the best way, the most efficient way to clean your alloy wheel would be actually to remove the wheel from the car. We're not doing that today. We're going to do a wheels on detail and show you how you can do it at home on your car without having to go through the extra steps needed to actually physically take the wheel off the car. The reason it's best to take the wheel off the car is because you can get into much more intricate areas in behind that wheel. As you can see, that wheel is like taking up a lot of space of the wheel arch, so you can get a good clean of your wheel arch, as well as being able to do the inside part of the drum itself and all the spokes, and you can you can get it much more cleaner. But again, like I said, we're not doing that today. We're going to do a wheels on detail. So my first step would be to snow foam the wheel and the wheel arch. Now, this isn't for everybody. Not everybody does this. The reason behind it is because I do it for my paint on the car, so why not do it for the paint on my alloy wheels? It's more of a precautionary thing than anything. It's not a necessity. You don't have to do that first. You know, if you don't have snow foam, or you know, the means to snow foam it first, then you know, don't worry about it. You can skip this step. But for me, to properly clean my wheels, I like to snow foam it first. And the reason being is, you know, I will apply the snow foam dry on the wheel. I won't knock all the dirt off first, because if the wheel's wet and I apply the snow foam's going to be diluted and it's not going to work as good as putting it on a dry surface. With a dry surface, it's also going to cling better to the dirt and the alloy wheel itself. So that's what I like to do anyway. So I'm going to start snow foaming now, and then I'll take you through the steps as I go through.
Step 1. Thoroughly rinse the wheel and the wheel arch down, making sure you knock off as much dirt and debris as possible by hitting the alloy from different directions. Step 2. Apply your chosen APC cleaner to the tyre wall and the wheel arch. Using your dedicated wheel brush to agitate the APC into the tyre wall, then use your scrub brush to scrub the tyre wall all the way round. Once complete, use your wheel woolly to clean the wheel well, using a cross-hatch motion, i.e. in-out and side to side. Once complete, thoroughly rinse the wheel and the wheel well in preparation for the next step. Step 3. Liberally apply your chosen wheel cleaner to the wheel and leave to dwell for about a minute or so. Then using your soft bristled alloy wheel brush, work the product into the face of the alloy on one side of the wheel from top to bottom. Then work from top to bottom on the other side of the wheel. Once you have worked the product in, grab your EZ wheel brush and start from the top. Agitate the drum of the wheel, working your way down one side, then repeat the other side from top to bottom. Once complete, use your dedicated wheel mitt to agitate the inside of the spokes as much as possible using the same method as you did with the EZ wheel brush. When you have worked your way around the wheel spokes, then thoroughly rinse the wheel down, ensuring you have removed all the soap and dirt. Step 4. Thoroughly dry your alloy wheel, tyres and wheel well. Here I'm using a Master Blaster Sidekick air blower, but you can use a leaf blower, or if you don't have a leaf blower, you can use a dedicated damp microfiber towel. But remember, once used on the wheels, the microfiber should no longer be used on the paint of your car. Step 5. Apply your chosen tyre dressing to the tyre, making sure that you work the product into the rubber itself. If the tyre is too glossy for your liking, then just lightly buff the tyre with a dedicated wheel microfiber towel.
And there you have it. That concludes our how to safely and effectively clean your alloy wheel video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see future content from the Motor and Evolution team, then please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. And as always, thanks for watching.